Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Amit and this is part 3 of ASP.NET Core MVC tutorial. In this video, we will set up our IDE for ASP.NET Core Development. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. This is continuation to part 2, Future of .NET. So please watch it before proceeding to this one. I shared the link in the description. There are multiple IDEs available in the market, like Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code, Atom, Sublime, and many more. With all these IDEs, you also need .NET Core SDK to get start your development process. In this course, we will use Visual Studio 2019 version 16.8. And the reason is, this is the most powerful IDE available in the market for .NET development. Not for all, but at least for .NET development. So to download this software, we need to go to visualstudio.microsoft.com/downloads, and we are going to use the community version of Visual Studio 2019. And as this is free, so let's use that. Click on free download. Your download will start shortly, so let's wait for it. Click on it. So initial installer will take a couple of seconds to get completed. It's not the actual installation. It is checking internally and downloading the prerequisites. So once it is done, you will route it to the workload, and this is really important. Different workloads are available for Azure, Python, Linux, etc. But the one which we are interested in is .NET Core cross-platform. Check it, and right inside you can see the details which we are going to install. And at the bottom, instead of install while downloading, let's download all and then install. Click on install. I already have enterprise version in my system, so please ignore that. And this process is going to take some time, and as I check the star after installation, so it will start the Visual Studio once the installation and downloading process gets completed. As the installation process will going to take some time, so I just paused the video. And here is how the Visual Studio 2019 will look like. So on the right hand side, you need to just click on Create New Project Template. And here you can see the different platforms are available where you want to do the development, whether you want to do development for Android, Azure, iOS, Linux, macOS, tvOS, Windows, Xbox, etc. And on the left hand side, you can select the language. But let me just show you the Windows form. So once I click on that, you can see that Windows form is still available for Windows only, not the Linux and any other platform. So you can expect that this software, maybe in future, maybe in .NET 6, will be available for macOS and Linux as well. If not Windows form, then maybe some similar application for other platforms. So from the project menu, let's select ASP.NET Core Web Development. Click Next. And give this application any meaningful name. Let me give it the name Pro Concept. Alright, so let's create that project. And there are different versions available, like ASP.NET Core 2.1, 3.1, and 5.0. So let's select 5.0. And we will talk about other templates. Let's just create ASP.NET Core empty so that we can create the project from scratch and understand each and every minute details while going through it. On the right hand side, just uncheck the box Configure for HTTPS. Click on Create. So because we created the empty project, on the right hand side in the Solution Explorer, you can see very few files has been created. We will talk about all these files in our upcoming videos. So let me run that application. So in the browser, you can see the hello world. So from where this hello world is coming from, we will talk about each and everything in our upcoming videos. That's it. Our IDE has been set up and we can start doing development from here on. That's it from this video. Thanks for watching.